Hey, what's going on, everyone? Nick here from Velocity Trading. I just want to make a short recap from today's trades. Did have two trades today, both in the pre-market. One on DSS and one on CLSK. So I do want to go over these trades today. So DSS here was my first trade here in the morning. So let me pull up the pre-market chart here on DSS. And do want to, show the executions. I did get some comments, and I listened to you guys. So, yeah, I do show the charts. A lot of you guys prefer the charts. And some of you guys want to see the actual, broker entries. I'll do a little bit of both. I prefer just the charts. I think it just looks a little cleaner, seeing the green arrows and red arrows. But someone did mention they want to see like the broker execution. So I'll show that, for my trades today. So DSS, here are my entries on it. So, you see a lot of things going out here. I was just kind of throwing, some orders out there, just sending them out there. A lot of them didn't get filled. It was low volume at the time, so ended up filling some there, 920s, some more there, 920s, a little more 920s. Then it was getting the rest of my shares there at 930s. On DSS, had around like a 924, 925 average on it. I did have 3,000 shares here on DSS. So I'll move this out of the way for just a second there. Is that gonna go away? Okay, yeah, so let's keep it over here for now. So let's get it in there, 920s, 930s here on DSS. So what we have here in DSS, DSS, the low float stock, around 1.5 million in float. We have been seeing that recently in this market, right? We saw it on CREV. We're seeing, some of these low float ones, that are really popping off early, around like 7 a.m., 7:30, really catching some momentum. Price action was good on it. The tape was good on it. Volume was pretty good. The baseline volume was solid on it. So, I saw it as a good, little risk reward trade here. Early bird long, getting there 920s, 930s. Risking this $9 mark. So, at a tight risk there, risking about 25 cents on it. And, goal was to sell 10.50 and potentially, 12 plus. And I did get one of, I did sell around that $12 mark on it. So, got in there, rode it on up, was patient with it, was not selling, was not looking at my P&L and be like, oh my God, I'm up $3,000, let me sell here. No, that wasn't my mentality. My mentality was, I have a plan here. I have a plan to, stop out if it cracks 9, and I have a plan to, sell if it hits my target. So first target was 10.50. So you guys can see there, selling some there, 10.50, holding about 1,500 shares left, selling some more there at 11.20s, and then the rest there was 11.85 on DSS. So, I was looking for 12 plus, was thinking this was where we potentially see, the shorts who were, adding on it, get blown out, and we go 12.50, 13. But we didn't get that here in DSS. I think shorts were kind of aware on this one that, okay, it's low float stock, we're in a hot market. Let me take a step back on this one. So I think we had kind of less players on this front side of the move here on DSS. And once I saw that there on DSS that we broke 12 and it was a pretty weak breakout and we didn't get that parabolic squeeze type action, I was selling immediately there. So you guys saw there, 11.85s I was selling on it on DSS, and there, pretty much from there, guys, it's the price action, the tape level 2 changed on it. Just couldn't catch a bid, and from there it was pretty much a straight fade. Couldn't even get any sort of bounce today at all. Pretty much faded into the open. I was watching potentially a midday trap on it, but it didn't happen. So yeah, that was a trade on it. Let me pull up the chart too, and some of you guys looking at the chart. So again, just another quick little look here. So I was getting in there, adding here, selling there. So yeah, that was the trade on DSS. Overall, solid trade. Made about 5.3 R on that, or 5.3K. So that was the trade there. Did have one other trade on CLSK. Now CLSK a little bit different. I'm not really one to buy the PR. not really, my, cup of tea, my niche, but, I did see, an opportunity here on CLSK, and I took advantage of it. I'll consider this more of a reactive trade. We talk about, when we're trading, 8+ setups, or we're trading, reactively, and to me, this was a reactive trade, so the PR came out, knew it was going to bring in some hype. So let me show you guys my entries on it here on CLSK. So it's pretty much getting there on the PR, 349s, 347s, I filled some there, so pretty low, 340s was getting in there. So the headline came out, CLSK, they had some sort of battery deal with Ford, EV stuff, right? We're seeing these electrical vehicle names go absolutely insane. And I know CLSK is a former runner, I know it's a low float stock, just, kind of look at the history on it, right? It's got on some rips in the past before, it's, around 8 million to float. So I was thinking that this thing would bring in some hype off the PR. So got in there at 340s. Was adding some there. Where was it? Filled some 379. So just getting my full size on there. Had around like 5,000 shares ish. Then was selling some there, $4. And then the rest was pretty much getting out there. 417s, 420 ish. Pretty much right around the top there. Let me pull up the new chart on it. Let's see. Here we go. So yeah. Oh wait, no, that's DSS. Where's CLSK? Here we go. Yep, it's the full, just the DOS charts on it. So there, it's getting in 340s, adding, pretty much selling there on the pop. So. Yeah, I mean, not too much to really say about this one, right? Just kind of was reactive. I knew the name. I knew CLSK was a former runner. I know that, EVs plays are hot right now. It was 9 a.m. Was thinking we see, some buy-ins come in. And that was it. So I was there pretty early, adding, selling at the pops. Not too much to say about this one on CLSK. We actually did have another good opportunity on it in the afternoon. So... I was watching for potential trade out of the open. It just didn't set up well enough for me. We were watching this during the live stream as we got over 390 here. We reclaimed. But just the price action on it was really weak. Just felt like there was a seller in there. Kind of reminded me of AIHS from yesterday when that one tried to reclaim. Just the reclaim, just it wasn't convincing enough to me. I didn't like the price action on it. Felt a little heavy, so I avoided that. I got off. I ended up going to the beach because, to be honest, it was pretty slow. But actually, we did have another trade here. If I was around, I may have taken this. So right around 2 p.m., 3 p.m., we had a nice little, wave 3 setup on CLSK. So you guys see we reclaimed VWAP here on some volume, on some nice volume rev. And you can see trend never really broke down. We never really cracked the backside, right? If you guys had 350 as the backside, look, never cracked. Held around all day and reclaimed end of day, and squeeze all the way up there to almost 480. So really nice opportunity here, midday, end of day. I think Trading Pennies took it in chat. He had a nice trade on it. So this was a nice little wash trap and squeeze pattern in the end. And then you guys can see we pretty much gave back it all into the close. So, but yeah, had a nice little opportunity on the long side in the afternoon on CLSK. Other than that, today it was a pretty slow day. It's been a little bit slower this week. We're still seeing a lot of action. I say it's slow, but it's not really slow. But we're just kind of used to this crazy action we saw all of June. We see 300% runners every day, 400% runners every day, and we're still seeing volume, tons of liquidity every single day. It's just we're not seeing that same June action just yet. And it's only, say it's the first full week of July, so, we'll see, how tomorrow looks, and then heading into the second week of July. But I still think that we're going to continue to see continued momentum in this market. I really don't think it's going away. I think we're just, having so many new traders get into day trading. I know we're getting some more rounds of stimulus coming soon, too, so... I personally don't think it's going away. I think this is really, we're just kind of getting started here, the world of day trading, and I think we're going to continue to see, volume and liquidity every single day. I'm not saying that we're going to have the same action we had in June every single day, but may just have some more days like this, right, where we have some good volume overall. We have some opportunity. Maybe we don't get the crazy 400-500% runners every day. I don't think that's realistic. I mean, who knows? But yeah, as long as there's volume and liquidity, we have some action. We have plays ripping. There's gonna be opportunity for all of us, right? So, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this recap. Just a quick little 10-minute recap of my trading day. It's been absolutely crazy 2 months for me. Some of my best trading of my career. If anyone's interested in checking out the room, we're still offering free trials. Links will be down below in the description if you guys want to check us out. We do, I live stream my trading every single day, Monday through Friday, from 9 a.m. to around 10:30, 11 a.m. Alex and Jimmy, they do options. Anyone interested in not trading, they're killing it. We have an options group too, so we do a little bit of both, right? We do the big caps, small caps, all the good stuff. And yeah, members have been killing it in the room. Yeah, that's gonna be it, guys, for this quick little recap. If you guys have any questions, you guys can email me or DM me on Twitter or any social media. Yeah, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.